guys, what does kill two birds with one stone mean? Meaning, doing two things at the same time using one action. It's not about hurting birds. Don't worry, it's an old saying that means being smart and saving time. For example, if you go to the mall to buy clothes and also meet a friend there, you did two things in one trip. That's killing two birds with one stone. People use this expression when they finish two tasks with one effort. It's useful in school, at home, or at work. Like if I clean the house and listen to English podcasts at the same time, I'm learning and cleaning it together. So next time you do two things at once, you can say, I killed two birds with one stone.